We've been taking the boys for jungle bushcraft, so they can be close to nature and to learn some basic jungle survival skills. Under the guidance of Teacher Phi, our jungle bushcraft instructor, the kids learn to pick up the right wood and to build a fire.
Water inside, but inside the liquid is on the ground. So it's heating up like this. So when water hits it, it just goes down. While it's on the ground, it absorbs water from the ground as well. Yeah. So if it's leaning on a tree and leaning upwards and it's thick, it is dry. Wow, look how fast it lit up. You need to put sticks on it now, you need to put sticks on it. Put it down. Yeah.
While waiting for the food to cook, the kids take a dip in the cool river water.
And tomorrow we're not coming back again.
Are you sure?
Tiger tracks have been spotted in this area, but tigers are nocturnal animals and hunt at night. In the day they are asleep. It rained heavily in the morning, so there's kapala air in the water. The closest English word for that is watershed. It means a column of water that appears suddenly in the river caused by heavy rain upriver. There'll be no swimming today. We've also learned how to prepare and cook food in bamboo.
Your hands are dirty. Your hands are so... Wow.
What are you making?
After several hours, the river subsides and the water begins to clear. The kids just play at the water's edge. These dogs smell our cooking and come by for a visit. They are tame. We think they're from the nearby Orang Asli village. The smoke from the campfire blows upriver. That means it's going to rain. Time to head back to the concrete jungle until our next jungle bushcraft.